you?
Ill.
Who are you with?
Beautiful.
Yeah. Guys, I am videoing this. I am videoing this.
My hair's been really curly. So ill right now. What have you got? More diamonds. Fraser! There was some there.
Who's winning? Bye. 8-4. 9-4.
Broke up with Ian yesterday.
I know, Ian told me. Not yesterday.
Yesterday.
It was the day before he told me, I think. He goes, oh, I broke up with Lauren.
The day before? I broke up with him yesterday. He said, oh yeah.
Oh, he told me that he broke... Fraser, you're in the way. Cheers. He said to me that, oh yeah, me and Lauren are breaking up or broke up or something, like Tuesday.
I broke up with him yesterday.
Why?
I told him that I was... I told him I just wanted to be friends. I don't think he liked it when I didn't spend time with him at lunchtime because I wanted to be with my other friends. I was like, that's not very fair, is it?